What's up, friend? Today I'm sharing with you a really easy gravy recipe using affordable and basic ingredients that are already in your kitchen. This gravy recipe will make 1 cup of gravy and it does not take longer than 5 minutes. So, let's make some gravy. Pour 1 cup water in a bowl or saucepan. Add 1/8 cup flour. Alternatively, you can use cornstarch if you need a gluten-free gravy. For now, mix well and make sure the flour is dissolved in the water. You can also pour it into a strainer to make sure there are no clumps. We're using unbranded flour, so our results might be different. You can always adjust the texture later while cooking. Next, we're going to add flavor by adding ½ teaspoon pepper, 1/8 teaspoon salt. Next, add 1/4 teaspoon oyster sauce or Worcestershire sauce to add umami and even darker color to your gravy. Half chicken or beef stock bouillon. For this recipe, we will combine both. We'll use 1/4 chicken and 1/4 beef stock bouillon, but this is optional. Now add 1 teaspoon butter and 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder. That's all you need for a flavorful gravy. There are a lot of ways to make a gravy, and you can also add these herbs. 1/8 teaspoon basil, 1/8 teaspoon thyme, 1/16 teaspoon or a pinch of rosemary. These herbs are optional. Now let's cook all of the ingredients under medium heat. All you really need to do now is to mix the gravy once in a while until it boils. If you feel like your gravy is too thick, you can always add water. However, if it's too thin, you can add more flour or cornstarch. Remember that your gravy will slightly thicken as it cools. And you're done! This gravy recipe goes great with other proteins like fried or herb chicken, steak, pork chops, lamb, and sizzling food. You can also enjoy the gravy with biscuits, chips, rice, mashed potatoes, and even veggies. I hope you enjoyed today's video and learned another easy recipe. Let me know in the comment section below. What ingredients would you add to this recipe to make it a special dish of your own? Don't forget to hit the like button if this video made you hungry. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.